Tom is a young boy. He lives in a small town with his parents. Tom likes to play outside. Every afternoon, he goes to the park near his house. He likes to run, jump, and play with his ball. One day, while playing in the park, Tom sees a little dog. The dog is brown and white. It looks hungry and sad. Tom walks closer. The dog does not run away. Instead, it looks at Tom with big brown eyes. "Hello, little dog," Tom says. He takes a piece of his sandwich and gives it to the dog. The dog eats it quickly and wags its tail. "Are you alone?" Tom asks. He looks around, but no one is looking for the dog. There is no collar on the dog's neck. The dog follows Tom as he walks home. "Mom, can we keep the dog?" Tom asks when he arrives. His mother looks at the dog. "Maybe this dog has a family. We must find the owner first," she says. Tom and his mother ask their neighbors, but no one knows the dog. They put a sign in the park. "Lost dog. Please call us." 3 days pass, but no one calls. The dog stays with Tom. He feeds it, gives it water, and plays with it. Tom names the dog Buddy. One evening, Tom's mother says, "Tom, I think the dog has no owner. Do you want to keep him?" "Yes." "Thank you, Mom." Tom is very happy. Now, Tom and Buddy play together every day. They run in the park, play with the ball, and have fun. Buddy sleeps in Tom's room at night. One morning, Tom wakes up early. He wants to take Buddy for a walk. He puts on his shoes and gets Buddy's leash. They walk to the park. The sun is shining, and the air is fresh. Buddy runs around happily. Suddenly, Buddy stops. He looks at something in the bushes. "What is it, Buddy?" Tom asks. Buddy barks and runs towards the bushes. Tom follows him. Behind the bushes, there is a small kitten. The kitten looks scared and cold. "Oh no, are you lost too?" Tom says. The kitten meows softly. Buddy sniffs the kitten and licks its head. Tom picks up the kitten. "We must help you," he says. He takes the kitten home. "Mom, look." "I found a kitten," Tom says. His mother smiles. "Oh dear, another lost animal? Let's see if someone is looking for it." They ask the neighbors again. This time, Mrs. Wilson, an old lady from the street, says, "Oh, that is my kitten, Daisy. Thank you for finding her." Tom feels happy. He helped the kitten find her home. Now that Buddy is part of the family, Tom's mother says, "We must take Buddy to the vet for a checkup." The next day, they take Buddy to the vet. The vet checks Buddy's ears, eyes, and teeth. "Buddy is healthy, but he needs some vaccinations," the vet says. Buddy does not like the injections, but Tom hugs him. "It's okay, Buddy. You are a brave dog," he says. After the vet visit, Tom buys a new collar for Buddy. It is red and has Buddy's name on it. "Now everyone knows you are my dog," Tom says happily. One afternoon, it starts to rain. Tom cannot go outside to play. "What do we do now, Buddy?" Tom asks. Buddy wags his tail and brings Tom his favorite toy. "You want to play inside?" "Okay." Tom laughs. They play with a ball in the living room. Tom throws the ball, and Buddy runs to catch it. Suddenly, Buddy slips on the floor and bumps into a chair. "Oh no!" "Are you okay?" Tom asks. Buddy shakes his head and wags his tail. He is fine. Tom laughs. "You are a funny dog, Buddy." After playing, they sit by the window and watch the rain. "I love you, Buddy," Tom says. Buddy licks Tom's face. One day, Tom and Buddy go to the park as usual. Tom brings his ball. He throws the ball, and Buddy runs to catch it. Suddenly, Tom hears a loud woof. Buddy is barking loudly. Tom runs to see what is happening. A little girl is standing near a big dog. The big dog is growling at her. The girl looks scared. Buddy runs between the girl and the big dog. He barks and stands strong. The big dog looks at Buddy, then runs away. The little girl is crying. Tom runs to her. "Are you okay?" he asks. "Yes, thank you." "Your dog saved me," she says. Tom smiles and hugs Buddy. "You are a hero, Buddy." When Tom tells his mother what happened, she says, "Buddy is a very brave dog. You are lucky to have him." One morning, Tom wakes up excited. "Today is a special day," he says. "It is Buddy's birthday." Tom and his mother bake a special dog cake for Buddy. They put dog-friendly ingredients and shape it like a bone. When the cake is ready, they sing, "Happy birthday, Buddy!" Buddy wags his tail and eats his cake. He is very happy. Tom gives Buddy a new toy. "This is for you, Buddy." Buddy grabs the toy and runs around the house. "You are my best friend, Buddy," Tom says. Days pass, and Tom and Buddy become closer. They go on adventures together, play in the park, and sleep side by side. Buddy is more than a pet. He is Tom's best friend. No matter what happens, they are always together. And so, Tom and Buddy live happily, sharing love, joy, and many wonderful adventures.